My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you see this very video. This is na Favors blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Devotional in Pidgin English. For Monday will be the 7th day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, impossible prayers. And our Bible reading, they come from the book of Mark, chapter 11, from verse 12, go reach 24. Make we read them. The next day, as they come out for Bethany, Jesus come dey hungry. He see one fig tree for far away wey get plenty leaves, so he come waka go look whether fruit dey for the tree. When he reach there, he see say nothing dey the tree, na only leaves he get, because fig season never reach. He come tell the tree, people no go ever chop your fruit again. And the disciples hear wetin he talk. When he reached Jerusalem, Jesus entered the temple, come drive all the people wey dey sell and buy for the temple veranda. He throw the people wey dey change money table, and the people wey dey sell bed, he throw away their chair too. Jesus not let anybody take anything wey dem dey sell pass the temple veranda. Then he tell them say, the right say, people go call my house prayer house for the whole world, but una don turn am to where thief dey stay. When the priest oga them and the law teachers hear wetin he talk, dem call the plan how they go take kill Jesus. But dem dey fear because the people surprised for wetin he dey teach them. When evening reach, Jesus and the disciples come comot for them. For morning, when Jesus and the disciples dey pass, they come see say the fig tree don die from the root. Peter remember come tell Jesus, teacher, look, the fig tree wey you curse yesterday don die. Jesus tell them say, make una get faith for God. I tell una true word, say, if anybody tell this mountain, come out from here, go enter the sea, and the person no get double mind, but believe say wetin he talk go happen, God go do am for am. Now this make dem dey tell una say, anything wey una pray and ask God for, make una believe say una don get am, and it go be una own. Our memory verse for today now from Numbers chapter 13, verse 30. Numbers 13, verse 30. Then Caleb tell the people, say, make them shut up, come say, we go attack now, come take the land. We dey strong, and we go fit conquer the land. Make we enter the message for today. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get more updates. I dey continue my teaching on the categories of prayers. I go focus on impossible prayers today. The Bible says some things dey impossible with men, but with God all things dey possible. Matthew 19:26, Luke 1:37. If you get any doubt about this thing at all, just take a look at the redemption city. You go know say with God all things are possible. He get buildings for inside the redemption city wey they build within 7 days, and they still dey stand now for around 40 years. The first secondary school building for inside the city na 2-story building, and they build am within 18 days. I know they use human engineering, and they use divine engineering, because with my God nothing dey impossible. The moment God hear say, they no go fit do am from your mouth, that thing fit no ever happen. This na because for inside Numbers chapter 14, verse 28, God talk say, anything wey you talk for inside my ear, na wetin I go do for you. Despite your unbelief, God purpose go always come to pass. That one no, they no dey change am. The only thing be say, he go raise up another generation wey go do the work when he wants. For inside Numbers chapter 13 and 14, 12 spies go Jericho. 10 of them come back out to say they no go fit take the land. Now only 2 na thought say they go fit take the land. And God make sure say all the people wey thought say they no go fit take the land, he wipe all of them out for inside wilderness. Why only the 2 wey thought say it dey possible now enter inside the land? Also, for inside 2 Kings chapter 7, from verse 1 go reach 17, Elisha proclaim one economic breakthrough wey look like wetin no go fit happen within 24 hours. Everybody for inside that room keep quiet except one man wey thought say even if God create window for inside heaven, e not dey possible. The breakthrough happen, but that man, he no partake for inside. No ever to say anything dey impossible. The moment when we say somebody say something no go fit happen, as far as that person dey concerned, that thing can never happen. When Jesus talk for inside John chapter 14 verse 14 to say, if you ask anything for my name, I go do am. E no dey joke. Therefore, if I ask something wey look like wetin not possible, e go give am to me because e no put any limit on wetin I go fit ask according to im will. 1 John chapter 5 from verse 14 to 15. Beloved, no ever express doubt say wetin God talk go come to pass. Not try to understand wetin e go do or how e go take do am. Just believe say e go fit do am. Wetin be our key point for today? Today key point be say believe say with God if anything dey possible, you fit do anything and that thing go come to pass. Now here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget the topic what we consider today na impossible prayers part 1. And we take this message from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional. Open Heavens Daily Devotional. Now book will be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, right. And this message when you hear so it come to you from the Stable of Favors blog. We want to thank all our subscribers, everybody they watch our video, they share our video. Thank you very much. I beg if you they watch our video and you never touch that subscribe button, help us hit the subscribe button so that anytime when we drop video, you will be one of the first persons to know. So what you go do for us now? Hit the like button, touch that will be like thumbs up here. The that person that subscribe, touch am, you know the bite person. Then don't forget to on that bell, put all so that anytime when we drop any new video, you will be one of the first persons to know. Until we meet again for our next video, my correct person, make it better for you.